Hello everyone. We're going to answer these three questions. Is a Philippine society more open or closed? Based on analysis of social trends, media and digital activity through early 2026, Philippine society is best described as having a hybrid nature, balancing and increasing open social. So here with us structurally close in political and economic system. Hard work always guarantees success. Hard work does not always guarantee success. While it is necessary ingredients for most, it is not the sole deciding factor and it must be paired with strategy, opportunity, and sometimes luck. What factors limit social mobility our country? Social mobility the Philippines, the ability for individual or family to move up from lower to higher socio-economic standing is limited by a complex interplay of systematic, economic, and social factors. Research indicates that despite economic growth and persistent inequality, unequal access to quality education, and corruption often lock individuals into their family essential status.